This is Dr. Peelz. Banana season is over, and the next season is still a long way off. But he's down to his very last banana. So, where did he go wrong? I guess Dr. Peelz needs to learn how to save bananas. We're learning 3 ways to save money. Number 1, ask your friends. Number 2, ask AI. Those didn't work. Number 3, watch this video until the end. By the end, you'll be banana rich. I'm going to tell you 3 simple ways to actually save money. Let's get started. Just like Dr. Peelz, we all know that bananas, meaning money, must enter the winter storage, meaning the savings account, before a peaceful future can be realized. So how can a monkey, meaning a person, who struggles to save bananas, turn this situation around? Here are the 3 simplest golden rules that will lay the foundation for your financial life. Most people make one mistake. First, they rush around all day, spending the money they earn here and there. Rent, bills, entertainment. Then, if there's any money left at the end of the month, they put it into savings. And usually, nothing is left. Forget this rule forever. Successful people, as soon as they find their money or their first bananas, their first job is to set aside the share required for the winter storage. This should be the first part of your salary paid to you. If you earn 10 units of money, 1 unit must go directly into the storage. This is 10% and is a very powerful habit. Pretend you never saw this money. Learn to live with the remaining 9 units. This small, consistent sacrifice will return to you as great comfort in the future. Every monkey in the jungle has small holes that unknowingly leak their money. We call these rotten leaves. That shiny thing you buy every day but don't actually need. Daily coffee, small snacks, or those subscriptions that pull money from your account every month but you don't use. Extra TV packages, monthly memberships. Your mission is simple. Find out which expenses bring you true happiness and which are just habits. Identify these small money leaks and stop them. These small amounts you save every month can turn into a huge pile of money, a lot of bananas by the end of the year. Unexpected storms always break out in life. Your car breaks down, a health issue arises, or an unexpected bill, meaning a visitor, arrives. If you don't create a separate, stormy day stash for these emergencies, you panic and are forced to dip into the main winter money storage. This ruins the whole plan. What you need to do: save enough money to live on for at least 3 to 6 months in a separate and untouchable place. This money is not investment money. It is your peace of mind money. Once this stash is full, it reduces the stress in your life so much you won't believe it. Now those unexpected storms feel only like a light breeze, not a devastating hurricane. Remember, dear monkeys and Dr. Peelz, saving money is not a grand sacrifice, but a smart behavioral choice. 1. Pay yourself first. 2. Clear the rotten leaves. 3. Fill your emergency stash. These 3 simple rules will not only make you rich, but also make you peaceful. Because the more money you have, the more choices you have. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next banana harvest with Dr. Peelz. Stay in your home and grow your savings. Goodbye!